guys, if you're here to watch an Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. This is for May of 2022. If you're not aware, Ipsy is a it's a makeup subscription service. So in this one, I have 5 full-size products, and there's 2 other tiers, which I'm not going to get into because if you're interested, there's a website that you could look at. But either way, I get the full-size products because that's what makes sense for me. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pull out the first product because it's just kind of sitting up there. So this first thing is called Saturday Skin Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whipped Cream. This is what the box looks like. It's making my camera do funny things. We'll go ahead and open this bad boy up and look at the cream inside. Ooh, okay, I will say it's a very pretty jar. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a good sniff, even though I did put on some maybe a mild citrus scent, but otherwise it's just like a generic fresh. But anyways, what I was saying before I interrupted myself was, that's a good feel. Is that I have officially started using self-tanner to try and even out some of my unevenness because I work outside and I use sunscreen, but I can't get it all. Just can't, doesn't work that way. So anyways, yeah, I'm trying to address this farmer's tan situation. So really I just smell that like self-tanner right now, but it does have a pretty good smell. Now, I'm gonna talk about this month's bag. If you watch my Stitch Fix videos, you know I am a sucker for a nice floral print. And this might be my favorite bag ever that Ipsy has ever sent us. Like, this is just so pretty. And now let's go ahead. Oh, well, just kidding. I was gonna look at the card. I thought I was grabbing the card, but actually I was picking our next product. It is a body scrub by Frank Body, which I haven't had this one. I've had the coffee one. I don't think this one has coffee. Oh no, it does have coffee. The first ingredient is Coffea Robusta Seed Powder, whatever that is. I do kind of want to give this a good huff or sniff, if you will. It's Australian made. It says a scrub from down under for all over. Okay. So anyways, I picked this because it's the time of year where I'm exfoliating my legs all the time because I'm shaving all the time. Not that I don't shave in the winter, I just don't shave as often in the winter because there's not a point. I'm engaged, it doesn't matter. I don't have anyone I need to impress anymore. I got a lockdown on it. But anyways, love you, baby, if you're listening to this or watching this. Next, ooh, oh yeah, okay, it's still a coffee scrub. It smells good. I feel like it's a slightly different coffee scent than what I've had before from Frank Body. I haven't had this specific scrub, but I have gotten them, I want to say in FabFitFun before, and I've really enjoyed them, so that's why I think I picked that one. I don't remember what I picked versus what Ipsy picked this month. Speaking of Ipsy, here is the card for this month. This month's theme is Wild Beauty. It says, this month, delight in all the things that make you feel alive. A fresh fanny, botanical skincare, going barefoot in the grass, and let your imagination run wild. And then it says, Ipster fave brands that began with mom. In honor of Mother's Day, we're sharing how these founders' moms nurtured their creativity. Well, that's cute. But anyways, moving on, we will go ahead and look at our next product. So this I remember picking as well. So this is the Aceology Rose Quartz Gua Sha, which I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly, facial massager. This is what it looks like in the box. We'll go ahead and give this a good open up. Now, I don't know if any of you guys watching this have used this before. I've seen it for a long time. I've almost bought one myself before. I'll be honest, I just wasn't thrilled about the other items in this category. But basically, you do upward motion facial massaging with this. I heard it makes you go through your serum a lot faster. I don't know. Give me any pro tips about how to use this, but it's supposed to basically be good for your face. Let's see if the box says anything about it. It says that Aceology, we're ready to be your skin's new best friend. You'll love our masks and tools, not only because they're fun to use and blah, 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 blah. Oh, interesting. So here on the back, it gives you kind of like a little diagram of how to use that and like what motions across the face. It says the Aceology Rose Quartz Gua Sha facial massager enhances your mask routine by promoting the lifting and smoothing of the skin, leaving your face lifted and radiant after every use. Made from natural rose quartz, it is safe to use daily with your skincare routine. And then, oh, it does tell us how to use it. It says, your Aceology Rose Quartz Gua Sha works most effectively after the removal of an Aceology mask. Okay. Keeping the tool flat against the face, massage the remaining mask serums onto your skin, following the above diagram as an indication of which side and direction to use. So this is saying to use it with a mask. I mean, granted, an Aceology mask. I've seen just people use this with their normal nighttime like serum and moisturizing routine, so that's interesting to me. It says repeat each stroke slowly with light to medium pressure 5 to 10 times, except the under eye area where the pressure should be very light. Okay, well this will be fun to try out for the next month. Maybe I'll try it both with a mask and just periodically as a part of my nighttime routine. Not gonna lie, I have a feeling I'm gonna have a hard time wanting to do that every single night. So my goal maybe is like 2 times a week. Anyways, moving on. Sorry, I need to do some mental math. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I feel like this is an add-on. Oh, there it is. Just kidding. I know I got another add-on this month. So last month I was confused because I got a perfume that I didn't remember. I just thought I got a bonus 6 product. It was actually an add-on. Anyways, moving on. Let's talk about my add-on this month because I am a sucker for a perfume. This is the English Laundry Oxford Bleu Femme. It says the top notes are citrus and melon, the mid notes are jasmine, violet leaves, and the base notes are amber, vanilla, and sandalwood wood, which I love a good citrus scent. So let's go ahead and see how this smells. Maybe I can stop smelling like self-tanner. Ooh, oh girl. Oh girl, I feel pretty. Oh, I like that. I have a perfume problem. I love perfume entirely too much. Anyways, would recommend. This next product is the Be Seen Weightless Liquid Lipstick by Beauty for Real in the shade All In. I don't remember this product at all. I might have picked this. Ipsy might have picked this. We'll go ahead and give it a good swatch in a minute. This looks very similar to the one I just got a couple months ago, but she's pretty. She's a good shade. She's pretty, you know, she's practical. She's a practical shade. No one can hate on practicality, can they? And then lastly, we'll go over my last product. It is an eyeshadow primer by Love, Craft, and Beauty. And I've never used an eyeshadow primer before because I'm cheap. I know everyone really liked or does like maybe that Kat Von D one. If you know, you know, comment down below. But anyways, this is what it looks like. But yeah, it just says use a finger to apply a small amount to the clean eyelid, then apply your favorite eyeshadow for long-lasting wear. Which granted, I don't feel like I have an issue with eyeshadow. I feel like I have an issue with foundation, but I don't know. Anyways, now we've reached the part of the video where I talk about the products I got last month and whether or not I like them after I've had a chance to use them. So let's talk about this Act and Acre plant-based dry shampoo. So this was very white and I have very dark hair, as you can see here. And I tried messing around with it. This is second day here right now, and I was just channeling my inner like 8th grader right here. I put on this shirt and that made me think of middle school for some reason. And then I just kind of modeled my whole look after like stuff I would have done or worn in middle school, but elevated it a little bit because, you know, I've made some progress since then. But anyways, not my favorite, but I'll use it. So overall a win. Moving on, the Hip Dot liner. One side was liquid, the other side was cold. So the liquid is almost completely dried out, which I've had this problem when I get eyeliners from Ipsy before. So I did manage to use it for today's look and in some of the other looks and videos this month. I actually went back over with the cold side to deepen it and enhance the eyeliner, which, anyways, I'm annoyed. I suspect that if you buy this product fresh from Ulta or makeup store somewhere, you won't have this issue. What I suspect happened was, at least this is what happened last time when I got a dried out eyeliner from Ipsy, is Ipsy was probably just trying to buy something that was cheap and they needed to unload this. And this is what we got. Anyways, if you had this issue, if you got this product, let me know. Moving on, the Kimchi Chic Puff Pass Set and Bake Powder. I like it. Been doing me pretty good. Not mad about it. Moving on, the Ahava Time to Clear Purifying Mud Mask. So I haven't actually used this yet. I've used this product before. I actually was trying really hard to find this yesterday because I really needed to do some sort of mask and I could not find it for the life of me because I didn't realize I put my Ipsy stuff that I'm trying out for this month in a different part of my vanities, and I try to make it obvious, but I don't know. I had one of those brain moments where it just went whoop and I could not find this. So I ended up using some other mask. I don't remember. It was like a citric enzyme mask instead yesterday. Overall though, I've used this before. It's a really nice clay mask. And then lastly, the Misha Beauty blush palette. So I used this actually in a couple eye looks this month. And I have also been using it as blush, even though I don't normally wear a whole lot of blush. It's very pigmented. It's very, I didn't have this issue as much as other people I've seen have this issue. I know this got a lot of complaints from other people as far as fallout goes. Not my favorite. I'm not mad about it. Honestly, this is one of those things I might just throw in a bag for like a quick weekend trip, and I would probably actually use this as eyeshadow, but she cute. I don't know. Anyways, if you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to support this video and do something that would help, you know, make me more seen on YouTube, there's a couple things you can do to make the YouTube algorithm more likely to suggest my video to other people, such as liking, sharing, subscribing, commenting, and turning on that notification bell. Anyways, stay cool out there, my friends. Have a good day.